Today, we're diving into a review of the Ninja Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick Extended Life Select Ceramic Cookware Set. This is a 10-piece, non-stick cookware set designed to make cooking easier, healthier, and longer-lasting. From its unique ceramic lock coating to its lightweight, heat-resistant handles, Ninja has crafted a set that's ideal for everyday cooks and passionate home chefs. Let's take a closer look at what sets this cookware apart. Ceramic lock coating and durability. One of the standout features is the ceramic lock coating. This dual-bonded non-stick coating is designed to keep its performance intact for years. Unlike traditional ceramic coatings, which can wear out, this coating is built to last. This non-stick surface means you need little to no oil for cooking, making it a healthier option. Ninja's focus on durability shows here, especially with their 5-year guarantee on non-stick performance. With proper care, you can count on these pots and pans to stay in great shape for a long time. Health and safety features. Another big plus is its commitment to safety. Ninja has made sure that this set is free from PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This means you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals releasing into your food, even at higher temperatures. Plus, it's oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can easily transition from stovetop to oven or broiler without needing extra cookware. Ease of use and cleanup. Finally, Ninja made sure this set is convenient to use and easy to clean. The handles are made from lightweight, heat-resistant resin that stays cool on the stovetop. And cleanup is a breeze. The non-stick coating wipes clean with minimal effort, and the pieces are also dishwasher-safe. With its versatility, durability, and ease of use, the Ninja Extended Life Ceramic Cookware Set makes a great addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.